Hey, didn't see you guys over there. How y'all doing? Welcome to the vlog. We're in fucking Japan. We imported the cars over here, finally. I mean, I know this car's already here, but we're already here. Look, there's a fucking Japanese
Domo
lighting.
arigato, motherfucker!
Look, we got a fucking... What kind of are you again?
Ching chong suck my dick, bitch!
Look, everyone here is basically Asian, so you guys already know we're in fucking... I'm the token white guy. So,
It's fucking Paul Walker's here, dude.
Yeah.
No, what's that American guy in Tokyo Drift?
Oh, that fucking hairy chest?
Yeah.
I don't know. Where are we, Ron?
We're in Osaka, yo mama. I don't
Yeah, yellow cars look sick at night, huh?
Yeah, and this dude, we have to, bro. We're gonna die, bro.
Sick.
Yo, I found a local Yakuza, dude. He's crazy, bro.
You know how you know he's Yakuza?
Look at that neck tattoo, dude. You can, if you go all the way down, you can see his dick, too.
What you got? What do you got? You got some
He's so
shit?
dark you can't see him.
Got a dick too.
Oh! Clean boy? Not even a little, like a 3-line, like a girl?
You haven't seen the butterfly? That shit's sick, bro. It's trap stamp.
There we go. Oh, we just came to Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Get boba, basically, like I'm fucking 12 years old all over again. Except I got a chamomile tea because shouldn't drink caffeine at night. So.
Crazy part is we're driving manual, bro. We can't really fuck up. It's like downshift.
Well, you have
now.
all-wheel drive.
Yeah, this is facts.
You do. You do.
It's a way
You do
different.
too, motherfucker.
It's way
I know.
different.
My back end was getting out in my front tonneau.
Oh, he is? It's a 4S. How so?
The fucker's a racer with all-wheel drive.
It's a track for
It's actually more rear wheel, kind of like the GTR. You know what I'm saying?
There's more
Still
percentage.
all-wheel drive. That's why you take turns like a fucking psycho.
That's true.
I'm not a good driver, clearly. What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Good morning. It's your boy Mark. Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for joining. Today we're going to PML Quick Strike. It's a collab with DDE. So if you guys don't know what PML is, it's a Platinum Motorsport group. Throw little events here and there like that. Usually the meetup spots at Platinum. I'm going solo because Ron's a fucking bitch. And I'm gonna meet all the homies there and we'll see what's up. But before I get started, before I get this video started, I mentioned in the last video that I want to do a giveaway. So if you made it this far, if you haven't skipped through the video, good. I'm gonna give away just 200 bucks. I'm gonna give away 200 bucks. It should cover a full tank of gas to the person that comments on this specific video. And here are the parameters. All you gotta do is be a subscriber on YouTube, like this video, and comment. The comment is what's gonna get you the entry for me to count you guys. I can only count you guys one time, so it doesn't matter how many times you comment. And then once I pick the winner, I'm gonna verify if they're subscribed or not. So, and that will be picked for the next video. I'm gonna do it random, obviously. I care about all you guys. So, and I can sell, I can probably PayPal, I can do whatever form of payment for 200 bucks to the winner. So good luck to whoever it is, and yeah, so I'll see you guys at PML. This road will fuck your car up if you're not paying attention. It's Barham. Fucking roads. There's no like clean route there. Alright, so it's a fucking shit show already. Cops everywhere, people getting towed. Yeah, it's a shit show. It's always like this. And you know what's the crazy part? Is that there's always somebody that does some bullshit like on the drive down there. So that's also going to be a problem, is the drive down there. I don't really know what route is being taken, and there's a lot of like younger guys. Like I used to be a victim of that, but there's a lot of like younger kids that want to like, I don't know, put a name to themselves or like you know, do some fucking crazy shit. And that's like part of the problem.
That shit hard as fuck, bro.
Thanks, bro. Appreciate it. Thank you. But yeah, look, I like all you guys showing me love like that, so it goes both ways. But yeah, just pray for me on the ride down there. Oh, it's Nick, the homie. All right, guys. So as I was racing, fucking finding Nick, pretty sure one of my intercooler pipes or charge pipes or something fucking blew off, so now I don't have boost. Update, my cold side intercooler piping just fucking blew off. That's what you get for not having vibrant clamps. And it also pushed my fender liner out when it popped out, and it pushed out one of my side markers also when it popped out. I pushed everything back in, but now I'm driving the car with no boost, which is basically just like a fucking Camry. Damn! What's up? What's up, bro?
The get one on my pants' shirt.
Come on, fuck Ron. It's bone stock. Bone stock. Oh my God! Hi! Hi!
What do you drive here today?
Just a beater, the GTR.
Just a beater. Spoken like a true asshole.
It's a beater.
I like it.
How are you?
How you been?
I miss you, man.
Seems you like your chain.
I'm sorry?
I like your chain.
Thanks, I like your drip. You have two, I have one, but I'll get there.
And both would give it to me.
Yeah.
That's how you do it. That's the LA way, right?
It is the LA way. All black with the kicks, with the chain and the watch. I mean,
I see white shoes back there.
yeah, just missing something else.
Not like that. Not like that.
All right, guys, this event isn't even starting, or it's actually starting now. And I gotta go because I gotta go work on the Supra for you guys. I gotta film and work on the Supra. Well, for me too, but there's a lot of shit going on the Supra. Honestly, that's way more important than me being here right now, especially since I blew off my intercooler piping. So, yeah.
On the right of it.
You leaving?
Yeah.
I'm gonna miss you.
Right behind the
Miss
fence.
you a
miss you
lot.
too.
You were my favorite person here today.
Really?
Seeing your face.
You wanna make out?
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
What's up, bro?
I'm out of here. What's up, guys? Going to Entice right now. I'm on no boost right now. My intercooler piping's off, so maybe John can help me fix that. I made it here at Entice with the 34. You guys already know the problem. You guys know the problem. I just do shit, man. Ooh, it's green right here. Wow, that shit is beautiful. So, you guys remember all the time, fucking piping was blowing off on this side a lot. So we bead rolled it. We didn't think bead rolling this side was ever going to be necessary. Just sure enough, that side definitely popped off while I was racing Finding Nick, the little bastard. And yeah, just hanging in there. We're gonna put the GTR inside and bead roll this side real quick and put it on so I can have maximum boost. Yeah, so this popped off. Obviously it's not bead rolled. Again, we bead rolled this side. This side's not bead rolled. I don't give a fuck about this motor right now. I have a fucking pristine, where's my motor at? Over there? Pristine over there in the corner. But for the sake of driving this as hard as possible, Chris right here gonna bead roll this and put it back, and I can start hitting nitrous or some shit, right?
Yeah, if you said it.
So, bead rolling. This is what it means. If you notice, this end is very smooth. So when you put the coupler on this end and you put the clamp on, it has nothing to clamp onto. okay, for it to prevent it from popping off. Bead rolling it is this. If you can kind of see this lip right here, and I think I've explained this before, you create this little lip right here, so when you put the clamp on behind it and it tries to force out, the bead roll is what stops it. So if you're not doing vibrant clamps and things like that, I probably highly recommend for you to bead roll every piping that you have so you don't have this fucking problem.
So basically, just take the pipe and stick it in here.
Yeah.
You see how it has this little
Bead.
in there? You'll compress it down little by little as you spin it.
Yeah.
And it'll make a little bead on it. So you just do this like 4 or 5 times, tightening it down every time.
Yeah.
And then eventually you'll get to something that looks like this.
Yeah. It's like churning for butter.
Pretty much, yeah.
Why don't you start off really tight?
Because then it likes to run like in different directions. So like it'll kind of like,
Oh, I
if
see.
this
I
isn't
see.
completely flat.
I see. I see.
So it's good just to like get it like little by little. It's a little easier on your arm too.
Yeah.
That's what you end up with.
Look at that, guys. Custom. It's custom. So if I do this, I can boost 7 pounds.
Yeah. Hopefully more than that.
Per injector.
Oh.
It's turbo.
Yeah.
Nah, I'm just all about the custom. You know, if it's not custom, I don't even want it. Does this do anything to my car as far as like me going in a wind tunnel and like now that's the wind is different?
No.
If you guys are wondering why I haven't put my motor in or why the S15 is delayed, so I'm waiting on the Supra to be finished so that I can put the HKS motor in here so I can put this motor in the S15. So if so facto, everything's waiting on one other thing. So for now, this is what it is. Now it can't pop off.
Let's hope not.
Well, I'll just turn down the boosters. Now I have nitrous mode is on. All right, guys. Well, shout outs to John and Enticed. Crazy. Jesus Christ, that motherfucker's crazy. Yeah, so shout outs to John and Chris at Entice. They bead rolled the cold side of the intercooler piping. This shit ain't gonna pop out again. I'm sure I got boost, so, but we'll test it. We are going to go back to the shop right now. That guy just ran a red light. Boost. The fuck was that? I gotta rewind that and watch that shit. Yeah, so what GTR updates? My new wheels are on the way from Japan. I'm gonna see how they look on the car. I'm gonna have to rebarrel them for sure. My green carbon lips on the way. I gotta find the time to put the HKS motor in this fucking car. But yeah, those are the updates. Until then, I'm just gonna drive it, enjoy it, fuck around with it. I used to love this gas station right here as 100 octane, but I don't need 100 octane anymore. It's E85 or bust. All right, you guys, back here at the shop. That's it for today's episode. Thank you for joining me. It was fun kicking it with the homies, driving to the PML event, just driving this car, blowing the fucking intercooler piping off, fucking stupid, rebeating it. And yeah, you guys came along for the whole ride. I'm really fucking tired, so I'm gonna go home and take a nap. So again, thanks for always tuning in. Appreciate you guys. Much love. Subscribe to your boy, okay? And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.